In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the scanner or clean the scanner of your HP DeskJet 3700 series printer. We have to open the top section. So open the front side. There are two screws here. We have to remove them first. You have to use the Phillips T10 screwdriver, T10. That's one. That's the second one. Go to the back side. Lift this plate up. There are two more screws here. Remove them one by one. Now we have to remove the top paper tray. Move it and then just twist it little bit and it will come off. Next is to get the access to the motherboard. Now to get the access for the motherboard, you have to move this other side and there are three screws. So just open these. Now just push it for the forward and just take it off. So that's the power unit. Best is to just remove it, otherwise it will hang around. And now there is a cable here just from this side. Just remove this cable. This is actually for the scanner part, and there is one that goes actually for the main display unit. So you can just remove this as well. Just send it back. Meanwhile we can just place it back here. Now we have to remove this section. So place your hand here and lift it slowly. Make sure the front ink chamber is open, and then you can just take it out. So this is our scanner. There are two screws to open. One is here, one end, and the other is on the other end, that is here. Now you can remove the actual scanner from here. So this is the scanner. Now this scanner also has a roller at which our paper slides for the scanning. So first we can clean it. So remove any dust from this area. So you can use a brush, you can also use the cleaning liquid, or you can use a damp cloth. So once you clean the roller, you can also clean the glass. We can see there are some scratches on the glass. So we can try to rub it and see if they get cleaned. So yeah, they are cleaning. So if you are looking for the replacement of the scanner, like this scanner, if it's not working, then we have to further open this. There are two screws to open. So again we are going to go more deep. Now you can just open this unit. Now you need a small screwdriver to open it, so just lift it, so it will lose the automatic locks. Just try to pull it. So apply some pressure, it will open, and here you will see the scanner. The actual scanner is this one, and you can just lift it and just remove it from here. Remove this front. And remove this part as well. Now you can just buy a new one, and we will assemble this printer. So first we'll connect it. So it goes like this. Now place it here in its position. Slide it under that corner and then push down, so it will come to its position automatically, and then plug in this wire. So this will go here. Now place it in its position like this. And now we have to place it back. So pull these wires from both sides. And now close it. Once it is placed properly, then we are able to lock it. So it's completely done. Place those screws. So once we close it, we have to put two screws. One goes here and the other goes in this side. Tight it. Now take this portion. The large side of the wire goes here and the small side goes on this portion that is here. Now place it. Attach screws. So two screws will go again, one on this end, and the second will go at this end. So it may take longer to do this process, but it's easy. If you follow all the steps, it will be easier. Next is to place it here, but before that we have to place to move. So you will automatically see it should come here. So here it comes, and just plug it in here. So pass it through this channel. And just place it on the first slot that is here. Rest of the wire can be moved back. Same way other side. Place this on the last portion that is here, with the shiny part facing to the open elements, move extra inside. Now place it in its position. You will hear like it's locked automatically. Close the front chamber. Now before we do anything else, first we place these top two screws just to make sure the top part is stable. Now move it. Push it to side, back side. Connect the power supply. Place it here. Next is to install this portion. Make sure these locks goes under those two flaps, and then place it in its position. It should automatically settle as well. Place those three screws. So we are near to finish everything. You can just slide it again. Place this paper holding tray. So you will see markings here. So it should be facing in. So just place it like this, and also bend it and place the other one here. So it should close easily. If the flap is out, you can just place it here. Now go to the front. Place those two remaining screws. Now plug in the power cable and just check if everything is working properly or not. So we can see it is working. There is no issue right now. So this way we can clean the scanner, or we can replace the scanner of HP DeskJet 3700 series printer. Thanks for watching.